Hello, Dumaguete.
Hello, Negros Oriental.
Hello, Silimanians around the world.
This is Joshua Soldivillo.
And this is Ronaldin Faith by Losses No.
You're watching
Siliman. Good evening, everyone. This is a magazine program that talks about different aspects of Silliman University, a program initiated to discuss matters concerning the campus by the sea. Welcome to Silliman. Hello, friends. Good evening, and thank you for watching Silliman. I hope you're having a great time, and today is the 22nd day of July, and here at the university, enrollment has already started. And I bet our students are getting ready for a new semester, and the same thing goes for our faculty and staff, who I also bet are busy preparing for their lessons, for their presentations and other classroom preparations. And of course, when we talk about preparations, we don't just use our brain cells or our mind, no? We also need to use our bodies. That's why I think some of you might be exhausted. But when we talk about the physical strength, it is just timely that our friends from the Human Resource Office prepared a sporting events for our faculty and staff. So tonight we will have a special episode here on Silliman. Let's have a sneak peek on what went on last July 18 and 19. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the Silliman University Faculty and Staff Sports Fest 2024.
Good morning, everyone. Before we welcome to today's event, we have Attorney Ebenezer Riley for the welcome remarks. Please give him a round of applause.
What is an applause from? The round where the meeting on the Okay, good morning, everyone. This activity is more than just fun. It's more than fun and games. You see, we all work here at the same university, and some of us do not know each other, right? Because our workplaces are far apart. So it is just not fitting such an activity. So remember, this is not just games and fun. You have to meet people, you have to be able to know each other, and that is one of its main purpose. Okay? And engaging this activity also, however, in sports improves our physical well-being, enhances our mental health, reduces stress. Are you stressed? And boosts our overall morale. That assists this chance to celebrate our collective spirit and enjoy the thrill of competition in the most positive way. It is a great pleasure to welcome all of you in this year's Sports Fest. Today, as we gather as colleagues and as community, bound by the spirit of camaraderie, teamwork, and enjoy our sports. First and foremost, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed faculty and staff members who have taken time out of their busy schedules and waking up early this morning, right? No breakfast yet. Your breakfast is at least available. Your presence today is a testament of dedication and enthusiasm to the college. To our organizing committee, volunteers, and everyone who has worked tirelessly behind the scenes to make this event possible, although very invisible, I can see them. Thank you. Your hard work and dedication are deeply appreciated, and without you, this event would not have been possible. As we embark on today's activities, let us remember the true essence of sportsmanship. I don't think I will continue with this paragraph because you know already. So
Thank you so much, Attorney. Again, ipasas din natin yung ang mawala ng stress. So kung mapili ka, ang stress na yan. Katawa lang din yun, katawa lang. Importante makapamamaw ka niya. Alright, thank you so much, Attorney. To warm up, para warm up ka kayo. Naiba na ito, makadula ka kayo during sports kasi noon na once a year, ano? So, lisod po kayo ulit sa taglagan, ulit sa tagdula, gusto niya makilala ng atong mga practice nila. No? So, to help us prepare ourselves, let us welcome our dance instructor, Sir Rahim Mapili, for dance wellness exercises. Asa sa mga dance exercise, Sir Rahim? Dili lang? Okay. May asa ko, everybody to please stand. Naalawin ko ay mobili ka ang HR ang pinakamayo mo sa kaya. Star dancer.
Those at the back, na nasa bawas, pwede mong sunod. Mag-iusan ka rin.
Bitaw! Those who are at the back, please.
Ang dili ko sana wala tayo breakfast.
Kaduon, doon ka nakikita ng ingatan.
Yes. May extra.
May extra. At sa gaya ng mga execution of the karate. Ready?
The athletes representing different team colors participating in 2024 Sports Fest do hereby declare that we are amateurs and hereby pledge ourselves to compete in the games in the spirit of true sportsmanship. So help us God.
Alright. Thank you so much. Let us all walk, have fun, and of course, let us always observe safety.
Blue team.
And I found my spark in performing. My love for music and theater grew even bigger because SUJHS made sure that I find my own voice. Here, we do not just grow academically, but we are encouraged to showcase our unique talent and creativity in any form possible. From making a plain canvas come to life, singing your heart out on stage, and busting the moves on the dance floor, SUJHS will definitely make your light shine through.
Score 74-82. Watching the Bagawat si Sir Dave. Number 14, guarded by number 2.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes for the fourth
Oy!
quarter.
Foul! Sir Bernie, ka-16 na lang ang foul!
Grabe, sir.
Mula dili na dili siya magawat sa...
Sir, dili na mga accreditation, sir, di na nakadawat, sir.
16 foul!
Grabe kaayo. Okay, balik na.
Block lang ang team, block lang ako din sa atong referee. Number 7 shot, wala. Balik na number 7, si Juan!
Wala, gyapon. Ay, wala.
Ako sa nakawan.
Kasi daw, mabalik siya.
Kaya sa touch na foul yun. Ang time is 1 minute and 16 seconds.
Okay, yes. Briefing sa daw sa lalong Pinoy, sunod ni Ma'am Ramacho.
Salamat kayo sa pamangkin ni Ma'am Juba to.
One representative daw for team. Sa team.
Thank you, Ma'am.
Hala, di na ko na ko sponsor mo.
Salamat sa mga donation.
Sige, pero last.
Yes, sabi kay Ma'am Juba, ano siya pa nagtanong na rin.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Are we ready, Jen? Ready? Ready, Nata? Ready? Set! Go! Nagpadayon si Sir Bernie. Nagpadayon ang Yari. Si Nani. 2, 3, 4. 5. Clear na si Nino. Ako ibalik. Tumara. Guys, ayaw din nagpapunta ng ligid sa other court.
4, 5. Okay, pasok si Binti. Ligi, go!
Mura galing ang ating
Binti,
Binti.
Judy, sir.
Pero ihap na sa atong yellow team.
Yes,
Pero papa sa yellow team.
Oy, wala. Sige.
Hala ka.
Sige. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay naman! Sige naman! Okay naman! Ay, kasakit sa akong tutunan natin nila. Uy! Tumanaligid, di pa tayo nasa bigas. Uy, balik na kami sa buwan na sa kachay. Buwan na! Tumara! Hala ka! Ay, yung plastic! Mag-plastic! Go mag-plastic! Sige, go! Alam mo, ayos na mag-plastic! Uy, ma'am! Ang ligid! Uy, ma'am! Ibalik na ito ang ligid! Hala ka.
Sunod sa
Okay na naman!
Okay na naman.
Diyan ka na!
Okay naman.
So, our winner, ang first is ang Green Team!
Mali sila mag-practice sila din.
Followed by our Yellow Team! Third ang Red Team! And then fourth ang Blue Team!
Salamat.
Congratulations! Wala ka na naman. Paway na, no? Paway sa kadyo. Ginawa lang sa lihat na dyan.
Line daw, line. Nine. Tungkol ko na yung goals. Nine na mo? Nine. Ano sila daw? Sige, magsugod. Magbulag na sa signal.
10 minutes.
10 na sila.
10 sila stikas. 2, 4,
Yes.
8, 10 sila stikas.
Okay na naman si Sir Deo.
Pag-imagine mo sa
That's
sarili.
already, yeah? Okay. Ready? On your mark. Set. Put. Okay, Sir Don. Hala mo na. Okay. Ihapilo sa red team, Sir Don.
Yes. My...
Sir Deo, kami na magkakas.
Alright. Second. 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, congratulations!
Red team, thank you so much.
Alright, this is between the
Yellow
yellow
and
and green team.
Ano, mga... Kung
Ay, sa-
yellow,
Klaruasan ninyo kung pulo na ba mo? Pulo.
Oh, 10 na ba?
Klaruasa, pulo dapat. 10.
10 people.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, go! Yellow team, are you ready? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, go! Okay na si Mommy. Okay na. So, tulog yapon, ma'am, no? Ang first na... Tulog yapon. Okay.
So-
Nagapon tayo change court, ma'am? Wala. Nagapon
change
change
court.
court. So, that means, after the ring, kamo din na put mo nga court after the ring. Kamo sila. Oh, gani. Ready? Okay, ready? Okay, relax, sir, relax. Ready? 1, 2, go! Hala! Improve tayo ang ilang strength. Mura wala, improve ang That's okay.
Okay, first round pa to. First round pa to. Dapat tayo change court.
Change score. Dom, isa dom. Dom, pinahon na lang na, sir. Pinahon na lang. Ready? Okay? Ready? Set! Go!
Uy! Kung sa'yo,
Libawi ang green.
kung sa'yo ha?
Pero ang red, manipon sila. Ang red, nakakuha ng momentum ng red. Nakakuha ng momentum ng red. Nakakuha ng momentum ng red. Nakakuha ang green. Fighting pa
Thank you very much, friends, for watching #Silliman, and I hope you enjoyed watching our faculty and staff as they showcase their competence, character, and faith as they play the game for this year's Silliman University Faculty and Staff Sports Fest. That would be all, and see you next week only here on #Silliman, and to God be the glory.